Hey guys, figured I'd make you a little update video. Old square body looks a little bit different. There's no motor in it. Here is my stock 350 small block that ate its head gaskets about 3 months ago. And I had just been limping it along, driving it through the pasture and whatnot. But finally getting this motor put together. It is another 350 small block, 550 lift cam, 40-pound crank, forged pistons, rods. It has a bunch of headwork done to it, stiffer springs, the whole works. Larger push rods, solid lifters,